I just missed the blow up. Small fish. Here in October, I had several blow-ups on this fish. Maybe even two fish. One was bigger, one was smaller. Just got two blow-ups in a row. For some reason they're shallow. I think it's that high sun. The last few days it's been such a high sun with little clouds. I'm excited. I'm also filming a video, so I don't know how I'm gonna intertwine this, but I'll somehow. I don't think I got the full hooks in them, but I think I just... One came up, grabbed it, and I missed him. Oh, I'm angry. I'm angry. What? Fucking October. I almost forget you guys are here, but I'm not gonna forget you. I'm gonna bring you with me. I'm gonna move down a little bit and see if I can't catch any bass on the topwater. We're gonna catch something today. A lot of fish in this damn marina. We'll get some. That's interesting. Well, I guess not interesting, but you know what I mean. All right, I don't know. We'll see how we can do this, guys. Oh, there's fish jumping out there. I may have to run to the truck to get my small jigs and stuff. I mean, I have a lot of stuff, but I haven't did this type of stuff in a while. I have this. I could toss this marabou jig. That'll give me an idea, at least, of what I'm looking for is over here. So we'll toss the spinnerbait and this marabou jig to start. All right. So we got this humongous circle hook here, and I'm just going to put a humongous glob of bread on it. And we're going to cast that on and just let it sit while we're doing all this other type of fishing. We got one on here, guys. It's probably going to be a carp since we got the bread on here. Probably going to be a carp, but we got one on. Awesome. Yeah, I don't even have my net, so I was really thinking. It's a nice fish here. Right now I'm letting him wear himself out. He's swimming against the current out there, but he's definitely a nice fish. I'd assume he's a carp. He's not shaking his head like a catfish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, this has got to be a carp. A lot of times when you get the carp in the Fox River, they're long and lengthy. So they're a lot better fighters. Oh wow. This carp is going, man. This is crazy, actually. Typically they'll give you one run, but they don't like... He's burying himself in the mud now on the bottom. Oh, that's because we don't have a carp. Because we don't have a carp, we have a big-ass channel catfish. And it looks like we might have somehow got him in the tail, even though we were bottom fishing. Oh, wow, that's a nice catfish. Or maybe the line's just wrapped around him even. That's wild. So, all right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to tire him out. And honestly, I might actually even keep this for my girl. I don't eat fish, but she does love catfish. And I was not expecting to get a catfish. Now, you know what? If anything, I'll buy her a salmon. Because if I bring it home, I'm gonna have to clean that shit. I already know. I'm gonna let it go. I don't have anything. It's kind of funny, but it looks like I have him in his butthole. How does that happen? Using a circle hook on the bottom with thread. Keep going back and forth here. Should I keep it? I don't know. All right. Oh, there we are, guys. Look at that guy, huh? That's on white bread. Look at that. Get him in frame for you. This is my first live slash regular video. This is awesome. Look at that, guys. Look at the mouth on him, man. That's beautiful. Channel catfish, Fox River. Do I keep him for the girl or do I let him go? What do we say, chat? What do we say? Keep him or let him go? Oh, it was hooked in the mouth. What the hell? The line is going through his mouth. I don't understand what's going on here. All right, buddy. That is so weird. This is the weirdest coincidence. It looks like somehow he breathed in my hook. It went through his freaking mouth, out the back gill, and then he snapped himself on the butt. Like, what the hell? Wait, no, my stuff's out. This is someone else's hook. So this is a broke off catfish right here. Look at that. That's someone else's leader and hook in there. It is a big cat. Look at it. It's a nice big cat. I don't have a scale or anything to weigh it. but it is a nice kitty cat. Look at that meat. But yeah, we did say we're gonna let him go, guys, so I'm gonna do that. Beautiful fish. Oh man. Beautiful fish. Fox River, Catfish Cove. You wonder why they call it Catfish Cove. There you go. Even though we caught many other fish here. Going in for the release. Well, actually, should I take, I guess I should take, there's a hook in his mouth, and I was just gonna release him with that hook, but I'm gonna see if I can get it out real quick. He's becoming too much, actually. Open your big ass mouth, buddy. Oh, he's got that swallow. I'm gonna snap that off though, because obviously he's still thriving. And here we go, officially in for the release. Out here at White Bread, going in for the release. Channel Catfish, sure. Fox River. There he goes. Let's go. Got that bread on, and very successful with that, as we typically are, man. I'm over here casting for bass on the side, missed a few, and the bread came through as it oddly always does. So I got my bread pole in the water right in front of me as I'm tossing this little marabou jig. I think marabou is turkey feathers technically, but we're just tossing that white. And a 132 ounce jig. There's way too many minnows in this marina, whatever you want to call it, to have no predators. Way too many minnows. There we go. We got something on. We got something on the little minnow jig here. It looks like a little. Is that a little walleye? No, it's not. No, it's a little northern pike, guys. Look at that. Little northern pike out here, guys, on a little tiny minnow jig. I mean, when I say little, though, I mean little. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Look at that. Little snot rocket. I don't know what the hell you call these things. That's awesome, though. Fox River, man. You know, one thing about the Fox River is you can catch. You never know what you're going to catch. There's so many different species. Northern pike, walleye, perch. The list goes on and on. Black crappie, white crappie, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, muskie, flathead catfish, channel catfish, variety of bullhead. That's awesome. Look, we're doing our first live here, guys. That's great. Let's go. It's already too dark, guys, but we're gonna do what we can do. Thank you guys for watching. Filming a video while I'm doing the live stream. So on the side here, we're gonna try to do a outro. I should have did that earlier. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. Send this video to a friend. If your friends don't like fishing, send this video to them. I guarantee you they will start. What geofishing brings to you every week of every month of every year. That's what we do out here, guys. I have videos backlogged for ages. They're going to keep releasing. If I died tomorrow, there'd still be videos released for at least 6 months. That's crazy. But we're building on that. We're building on that. And today we were able to get a nice channel catfish, about 7.5 pounds on bread. Hooked him right in his anal cavities there somehow with a circle hook on the bottom. So skills, man, what do you want to say? I don't know. Just joking, but yeah, that's pretty funny. I don't know how that happened, but literally caught a fish that broke someone else's line, got off, which is a big, massive catfish, very strong fish. The fight took a while, especially, I mean, when you snag a fish, I don't do it often, but the few times you do, they fight a lot harder than a typical fish would. But we got that. I thought it was a carp the entire time. After that, we started casting a small hair jig, and we caught a northern pike. We were out here early. high sun. Had freaking 2 blow-ups on a topwater frog. We're here in October. I know, I couldn't believe it either. But it's too much rambling, guys. I think this rambling's more than the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Peace.